Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickFunnels order pages for digital products. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring your ClickFunnels order pages for digital products, log into your ClickFunnels account. Choose the funnel that contains the order page you want to edit. Click on the Edit Page button to open the page editor. Once in the editor, locate the order form element on your page. If it's not there, drag and drop a new order form element onto your page. In the order form settings, you'll need to select the product you want to sell. Click on Products in the Settings menu. From the drop-down, choose the digital product you have already created. Next, set the payment options relevant to your digital product. If your product is a one-time payment, ensure that option is selected. For subscription-based products, choose the subscription settings accordingly. Make sure to add a billing address field if necessary. You can also customize the button text for purchasing. Change the button to something enticing like Get Instant Access to encourage purchases. Select where customers will be redirected after completing their purchase. This will ensure you receive alerts each time a sale is made. In the settings, review the integration options to connect with your email marketing service. This will help with automating follow-ups with your customers. Once everything looks good, preview the page. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button. Finally, test the order page by making a purchase using a test payment method. This will help you confirm everything is functioning as intended. After successful testing, your order page is now ready for live use. You can now start driving traffic to your funnel and selling your digital products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.